everybody. Welcome to day 25. This will be dose 49. I'm outside cutting trees down and fixing the yard up. And I got to work tonight and then drive to Alabama in the morning. So I'm getting ready to go to sleep about 5 o'clock and then wake up and go to work. So anyway, I'm down to 205 something, 205.6 or something. So yeah, I think by the end of this weekend I should be hopefully right at 199, something like that, maybe 202, I don't know. But anyway, I got one more phase left, so that's another 15 days. So all I gotta lose is like probably 20 pounds or 15 pounds, maybe 20, I don't know, something like that. I'll be close, so close enough. I'm not worried about it. I've got, you've got to stop it pretty much after that or you become immune to it. So anyway, I'm going to take this dose. I got to get out there and unload these trees, come back in, and get ready to go to sleep. Because I have got a lot to do tomorrow or tonight. So I'm going to take my GoPro with me and I will record this on the road. So. And there is dose 49. So I will see you guys tonight before I go to work. So I will see you later.